This is my latest song. It's a collab with Mad Max. This is his guitar track up here. I actually did 2 tracks. I was thinking of layering these 2 tracks. I have a couple different effects. Not effects, but just amps here. I have an EQ. It's a little more vintage. You can actually locate the mic on this one. I'm actually going a little more straight on with the mic. And on this one here, I left the echo on there a little bit, and the EQ. Alright, so learned some lessons here. After that last video, I put the drums in and I exported it out, and it just sounded really muddled. It didn't come out very good at all. So I simplified it. You see, I just left 1 track for Max's guitar, and I even changed the stack here to a clean studio stack, and took out any echoes in there. And then the vocals, I even changed that to a classic vocal. Last time it was unnatural. It was a little more echoey than I wanted it to be. And flute's the same, harmony, I added some modulation to it. Took out some of it, so you can hear all the harmony instead of it dropping out. It drops out in different places. So, and then the bass kept the same, but didn't touch it. Drum set, kept the drum set the same. And then the shakers, I took the shakers down quite a bit. But that's it. Hopefully that sounds a lot better. Thank you for the feedback.
Tired of seeing all the days that end with your head in your hands. Well, I'm weary of seeing where we've been and them telling us where we need to go. I just want to walk with you in the sand and watch this all come to an end. I see the sun go down behind our cloud. I see your colors climb up the sky, and I know we'll find rest on the other side. Well, I'm weary of seeing where we've been and them telling us where we need to go. And I see